Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel. We will make a reading for you. We'll use the deck of cards or Little Universe Human created by me. So let's begin. Angels, archangels, spiritual guides, ancestors, please send us a message for Capricorn, what they need to know now for their higher good. So let's see for Capricorn, a message please for their higher good. What they need to know. This is our Little Universe Human, the deck. Let's see what message it has for you. You have the years, so listen closely. This is the energy of the creator sound, of listening, of integrating and accepting what comes from the outside decoding. Yes, this energy gets stuck when it is difficult for us to listen what is happening around us, and it expressed externally through various disease of the ears. So listen closely what the universe is saying to you. Blader, this is energy that eliminates the energies cleansed from the soul by the kidneys, from the emotional body. The energy of the bladers also eliminates the old pattern, the old memories of thoughts, old beliefs and habits. Yes. So you have to drink a lot of water, so you can then your kidney can eliminate your emotional body. Yes, all that old beliefs, old memories of thoughts. Okay, another message from Capricorn. Okay, you have the spinal cord. This energy gets stuck when we are afraid of error, the fear of cheating on us, obsessive censorship, leading to a paralysis of our emotional body. The energy that blocked leads to paralysis and physical suffering. Yes, so don't paralyze your emotional body. Don't be afraid. Eliminate the fear from your little human universe. In the present is here and now. Yes, but the present is an accumulation of the past, the sum of the past, a better shaped past. I am the present now. Yes, so all that fears, all that old memory of thinking. Yes, old way of doing, of hearing what is happening, you have to eliminate. Yes, you have to eliminate that old fear in the present, because the past is here in you. He is in yourself. Yes, the present is the accumulation of the past. Yes, and neck. So you have to say no to person or situation who are toxic in your life. The suffering of the neck occur when the energy of the neck gets stuck due to this inability to say no to some people with who we have a toxic relationships. Yes, and it materializes in this physical reality with problems of our neck. Okay, one more. So after you did this process, you have to say no to that person's situation who are toxic in your life. Yes. Okay, one more. Thank you. Elbow. This is an energy of acceptance of what comes from the subconscious. Yes, you have to accept what your subconscious is transmitting to you. Elbow energy is an energy of action, of acceptance that falls to the side, to the front, but never to the back in the past. Yes, and you have to act. You have to accept what your subconscious is transmitting to you, and then you have to act. With the hands, we are doing things in our life. Yes, we are building, we are destroying. With our hands, we are doing. So you have to act. Accept what your subconscious is transmitting to you, and then act in the present. Yes, not in the past. In the past, you can eliminate that old pattern of doing things, and then you can act in the present, so you can change your future. Okay, at the bottom of the deck, eating and weight disorder. Yes, this is an energy of affective relation insecurity. When you are not secure on your relationships, yes, with your mother, with your father, with your friends, with your everything. What is your who is in your relation with yourself? Yes. So you have to say no that relationships what are toxic in your life. This energy of food disorders is an air energy of affective relational insecurity, material and affective deprivation. It is a barrier between the outer and inner world, like an armor, or feelings of self-punishment or of the devaluation of self-denunciation. Yes. So then we have this problem. We are too big or too skinny. Yes, because it's this energy of insecurity of affective relationships. Yes, so if you want to resolve this problem, you have to you have to eliminate the old patterns. You have to don't be afraid, spinal cord in the present, and you have to say no to that person, situation who are toxic for you, and you have to listen your subconscious. Yes, and to act, to do it. Okay, let's see, and the message of life, and we'll close this reading. Message of life will help you to do this process. Capricorn. Message of life for Capricorn. one, please. Last one, please. Okay, thank you. So let's see. Awareness. So you have to be aware of everything what is in your little universe, human, what is happening, why you have problems with neck, with bladder, with spinal cord, with what you are having problems. Yes, you have to be aware. You have to hear the creator sound. You have to listen. You have to integrate. You have to decode. Yes, so you have the awareness. I open my consciousness to my true self. I understand that I am here to grow, to free myself from conflict, and to discover who I really am. You are a little universe in a big universe. Yes, and you have the power inside to make these transformations. Today I release illusions and the limitations of the material world in order to elevate my being towards the eternal light. I grow stronger and stronger as I explore the wonderful being that I am. Yes, you are a wonderful, wonderful being, and you have the power to make this transformation inside of you. Okay, thank you, angels, for this message for Capricorn. I hope it's useful for you. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. It's free. You can also, if you want to donate to my channel, I will thank you very, very much. The link is can be found in the description section. So we can extend this channel, we can grow together, so many other people to hear these messages for their higher good. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.